the rains of change. I'm at my window, looking at the deserted streets below, watching the sun go down on another day, leaving us all covered in deep crimson yellow. Little flashes of lightning streak the crimson sky. The sound of thunder following denotes that the rain is nigh. The drops begin to fall, and the petrichor fills the air. I find myself magically transported, though I am still in my chair. The raindrops fall faster, lashing out at the window pane. Could this be an expression of Mother Earth from the man-inflicted pain? The birds, the trees, the animals all have of man's injustice grown weary. The nature rejoices and celebrates Mother Earth's fury. Driven by greed and blinded by technology, we mistook nature's humbleness as its weakness. Mother Earth would always be the powerful one. The realization of this could have spared us this mess. Man has for long prided himself in the subjugation of Mother Nature. On the altar of life, however, I see man kneeling, humbled by nature. It is a welcome change to see the restored scales of balance. Proves that goodness and truth will triumph, definitely one day, over corruption and violence. Have we learned our lessons now? I pause to wonder. For how many times can a mother forgive a child's blunder upon blunder? The city is now totally washed, as if it has been made anew. There should be a similar transformation of hearts. A peace treaty with nature is long overdue. The magic is in coexistence, in relations, symbiotic and full of synergy. Let this be a waking call for us all, never to underestimate nature's energy. The stars are out and it's dark now. Looks like Mother Earth has had her say. Forgive us and embrace us in your bosom, O Mother. Let tomorrow be a peaceful world, a new day, a new day.